Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I have a new tool. It's the Ryobi, what do they call it? The 18-volt speed saw rotary cutter. This is like the trade name for this tool would be a RotoZip. They're the ones that came out with it first, which is a great tool. I bought the Ryobi because I got all the Ryobi stuff, right? And it's battery powered, so I thought that would be way better than when you're working on your basement doing drywall trying to get electric one. So it comes with two rotary bits. One of them has, like, the spot here is flat, there's no cutter part on that, and the other one is a cutter part all the way in. This one is to go around electrical boxes and things, and this one is just to do cuts, right? So when you want to run this up against something, almost like a router, you can run it along and then it won't cut into things, well, not as easily anyway. You can adjust the height of this so that it only goes in so far, so that's adjustable. There's a little thing on the side here, that's like the brake. You lock that when you want to change your bit, and it comes with a wrench, so you just crank it with the wrench and that loosens it up, the collet, so you can take that out. It also comes with a spare collet, alright, which is nice, and of course the instruction manual. And that's it. So I'm going to show you how I do this here. Okay, so see this electrical outlet? What I do is before I put the drywall up, I put an E. So that's where my electrical outlet is. And then when you measure them up, it's 13 inches to the bottom, right? So you know that where your E is, you measure up 13 inches, there's the bottom. But what you're going to do is put this into the middle, run it to the edge. Once you get to the edge, you're going to go to the outside of that, and then run it in a counterclockwise rotation. Because the way the bit spins, it's better if it's counterclockwise. It keeps it tight. If you go the other way, the bit will want to wander out. So, word to the wise. Come on over so you can see it kind of here, right there. So you're going to plunge this in, go to the edge of the box, and then around. Alright, so this is where a switch is. I measured it out where it was. And if I don't hit it, I'll be really angry. Oh no, that's good. Alright. Okay, there's the edge of the box. I'm going to plunge it right beside it. Alright, so I had a little too much pressure on the wall, and that kind of broke my drywall there. Okay, but there's your electrical box. Now we have the next two boxes, which are down here. That's it. So, my overall impression of this tool, I really like it. It's a little heavier than a RotoZip, especially with a battery. I don't know that the speed is quite as fast. I'm not sure that the blade spins at the same speed. But yeah, overall, really great tool. It's great that it's portable, no wiring. If you do buy whatever brand you buy, if you can get a battery powered one, that's really great. So, once again, the Ryobi is not like pro quality, but for the handyman, it's a good tool. Alright, thanks for watching.